Go, go, go!
Anyone know how to drive?
Sleep, take the pedals. Rex, you navigate. Ham and Potato, operate the levers and knobs.
Whoa!
Power, Slink! Why won't it go?
Use the wand of power.
Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with a new project on the bench. It's the Pizza Planet delivery truck from the Toy Story series. I'm going to be doing something a little different this time. Rather than starting with a brand new kit, I'm going to be doing this as a rebuilder. I picked this up a little while back. I don't remember exactly how much I paid for it, but it was less than $1. And as you can see, it's a little roughed up here and there, but ought to work great as custom fodder. Taking a look at what we've got here, you can see it is the long bed version of it, so that's going to have to be modified. But it is the correct vintage Toyota. Got a halfway decent box there, decent chassis detail on it. Actually, pretty good looking engine for a snap kit. So it's going to need a good cleaning. The first thing we're going to have to do here is take it apart. And fortunately, since it is a snap kit, comes apart just about as easily as it went together. A pretty decent looking interior here. Got the wand of power there in the middle. Got a halfway decent looking dashboard. Snap in one-piece glass here. For the age of this, it is actually very clean. No scuffs, no scratches, a whole lot of dust. That's about it. In fact, it looks like the engine is just pretty decently painted. I'm going to see if I can preserve that as much as possible. Separate grille and bumper, pretty decent. And gonna have to replace the rest of the wheels on this. So let's see if I can get these off. Yeah, they're all gonna break off. That's okay. I have to replace them all anyway. So let's get these off and get a nice clean chassis to start working with. And yeah, actually pretty decent quality for this age. Now the first thing I'm going to do is going to give all of these a real good washing, some Dawn detergent. Myself with another set of Vector wheels here if I can do another General Lee maybe. But give these a good washing. Then I'm going to start in on the body modifications. The camper shell is going to have to be a full scratch build. Once I get the box cut down where I need it to be, I'll take some measurements, transfer that to some flat sheet styrene, and build that all up. And for the roof topper, I'm going to be doing the 3D printed route. So I drew this up, had it printed at Shapeways. And that'll be ready to go shortly. A little bit of sanding on that. And it should fit just fine. There we go. Going to get started on this. Said do the cleaning, start working on the bed. I'll have another update on it next week, so you can check back then. And thanks for watching.